Hi, I'm Elizabeth for Naked Cosmetics, and today I will be showing you basic eye application using Naked Cosmetics loose pigments. To begin with, I'm going to be taking Naked Cosmetics eye base and I'm going to apply that evenly across her lid. Now, I'm going to use my finger, but you can also use a brush as well. So you just want to get a nice even layer. Now what I really love about Naked Cosmetics eye base is that it was designed to be used with their mica pigments. So that means it's going to make it anti-creasing, it's going to make it water resistant, and it's also going to make it long wear. Also, the more of it that you use, the more matte your product is going to become. Now I'm going to be going in with a base color all across her lid and up to just under her brow bone. So I'm going to take a small amount of Naked Cosmetics Mother Nature number 5. So you just want to take a little bit and then tap off any excess. Now you're going to start applying. Now you'll notice that the way I am applying it is I'm placing the pigment and then blending it. And this is to minimize fallout and maximize payoff. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit with a fluff. Next, I'll be taking Blushing Bronze number 3 and using that as a lid color. So again, you just want to take a clean brush and take out a small amount, tap off any excess, and then you're just going to apply that straight to her lid. And again, you just want to take a blending fluff and just buff out those edges. Now I'm going to take Blushing Bronze number 5 and use that as her crease color. So again, you just want to take a clean brush, preferably a round crease, take a small amount, tap off that excess, and then apply in her crease. And I'm also going to pull that color down a little bit just to add a little bit more of a smoky eye effect. Add a little drama. And then take your blending fluff again and just blend out those edges. Now I want to deepen that crease color that I just added on her, so I'm going to go in with Blushing Bronze number 6 and just use that on her outer crease. So as before, round crease brush, small amount, tap off the excess, and now we're just going to put that on her outer crease. and then blend it out with that blending fluff. And now you have your completed eyeshadow application. This has been Elizabeth for Naked Cosmetics. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to check out the Naked Cosmetics YouTube channel for additional videos in the series on basic application of loose mineral pigments.